If you are interested in making $950 online with a simple strategy, you are in the right place. You will need to watch this video till the end in order not to miss important steps. This method is worldwide available no matter where you are from United States or India, Pakistan, Brazil, Russia or any country in Europe, it is worldwide. And you can start absolutely for free, you won't need to pay any money for doing this. But right before I'll show you the case, I'm asking you to subscribe to my channel. We have a goal to reach 1000 subscribers and you can help us, help me, and you could be the part of the channel. So subscribe and comment down below I'm subscribed and I will answer to all of your comments. Appreciate if you do this. Hit the notification bell in order to see more fresh money making videos like this one. Those who turn notifications have an advantage above others. They will find out new way of making money faster. And also leave a like to this video to save it in your liked videos on YouTube. I really need your support, guys. So for today we are going to make some slogans, guys. We're gonna be using 3 websites. At the middle of the video I'll show you 2 different websites that will do the work for you, so you don't need any skills, any experience or any special software. You'll need only your computer, just copy and paste some stuff and you can make decent amount of money. And this is the first and the main platform that we are gonna be using, and we will try to make some money here. I will show you the name of this website a few minutes later, guys, a few minutes later, in order that you don't immediately go there and try it by yourself with some mistakes which I don't want you to have. So what's this company is all about? This company is selling slogans and taglines for other different companies, stores or businesses or people who just need any slogans. As we can see, they are featured in Entrepreneur Magazine, CNBC, Yahoo Finance, Killer Startups. So we definitely can say that this is a quite legit company and there are a lot of people using this website. So you will come here and read more if you need to find out more information about how it works. But in order to make money on this website you need to become a writer of slogans here. But don't worry, you won't need to become a real writer or somebody similar to that. And as I said, you won't need to write it by yourself. You won't need to write slogans by yourself. Because imagine if you are always thinking about some slogans, you will be tired of this and this takes a lot of time. So I'll provide you 2 free tools that will make the work for you. So keep watching. So if we scroll down this site, we can find some examples of slogan ideas from their writers that are already sold. Here is a client, Zozo's Burger Bar, and here is the winner of the contest who came up with a slogan: Picasso used a canvas, we use a bun. And this person, this writer who came up with such slogan, such tagline, made from $200 up to $950. I think this is a very good amount of money for such work. I'll show you how you can possibly make similar amount of money. There are new contests of slogans every day, so you can do it over and over again. So yeah, to start using this website you need to scroll up and here we got 2 green buttons: write a slogan or get a slogan. We need to choose a right slogan. Obviously that get slogan is for companies, for people who need to buy a slogan. So clicking here will lead you to the next page where you need to create your new account in order to start making money. Sign up as a slogan writer for free. So it's absolutely free to sign up on this website. So here they tell why be a slogan slinger. The first, earn money for your creativity, and we will definitely be creative with the 2 free tools that make slogans for us. Then make up $99 per contest minus our small admin fee. But don't worry, this is only when you win the contests of slogans and make money, already made money. The fee is around 5%, so you can make up to $950. It's very cool, especially if other websites will do the work for you and you don't need any upfront investment for this. Then show off your skill against other great writers from US, UK, Australia and around the world. So as I said, it's available at all over the world, no matter where you are from. Entries are kept confidential until the contest ends, so nobody can mimic your work. So yeah, as always you can sign up with Google or continue with Facebook This is very convenient, but you can create an account using your email here, creating your username, and you will need to write your first and last name. It will be private. You will need to create a password, confirm it once again, and you need to type your PayPal account email. So you will be able to withdraw your money directly into your PayPal account whenever you win the contest. And now this is the time to reveal the website name, and this is sloganslingers.com. So to find it in Google search, you need to type in Slogan Slingers, and you need the first link. Click on it and do everything that I mentioned earlier. And now, as I said about two different tools that will make the slogans for you, and the first platform that will do the work for you is a website, slogangenerator.org. You don't need to create an account here, you just need to type in the subject to generate a slogan. So here we need to type a specific keyword to make a slogan, and for example, let's take a huge topic, maybe about fitness. Let's try some slogans with fitness. So we type in the word, then click here on generate slogan, and this website generating the slogan for you. And you can click on generate slogan again and again until you find the best slogan you need. So you see the point, you entered a bunch of new contests, and with this website you have an advantage over the other writers. You don't spend a lot of your time and energy on coming up with the new slogans, you're just generating them until you like some of them. But this platform is not my favorite, I like the other one. It is obelo.com/tools/slogan generator. And once again you need to type in a word that you need. I'm typing fitness, and here you are. It generated 1076 slogans containing the word fitness. And what I really like on this website, that you don't really need to click so many times. Click on this button, generate the slogan. You're just reading all these slogans and find the perfect one for you. And once you find it, you copy that slogan and enter the contest with the idea, and you do it with every contest available. And one time you will win the contest, and it will make you up to $950. I guess that it's worth to try. And I know that some of you can do this, guys. So I hope you love this video. Subscribe to my channel. We have the goal to achieve 1000 subscribers, and you can be the part of this channel. I will make more videos about making money online, so you will be able to try more strategies to make your income much bigger. And also, guys, give me a like, I really need your support, and you will save this video in your liked videos on YouTube. Also, leave a comment down below if you have tried it already, or if you have some questions, and write I'm subscribed, and I will answer to all your comments. And in order to make more money, I recommend you to watch these two videos. See you next time.